Okay, well, it's been a while since I did a video on the J10, so just gonna give you an update. So you can see it's got fog lights up here on the bumper now. It's got a rough country, I think it's a 12,000 pound winch, yeah. So that's all been added. The KC headlight highlights, excuse me. The brush guard was refabbed, and I got it to fit with the custom bumper for the winch. So now it's looking pretty good. Kind of like the way the front end looks, right? This off-road lights, the winch, the recovery gear, and of course the brush guard. Brush guard to me sets it off. Okay, and you can see the side, the 35-inch Mickey Thompsons. It's on a 4-inch lift. It's got all the right badging. Pretty straight body work that they did to it, as you can see. So we're looking pretty good there. We bring you around to the back end, and oh my goodness gracious, it now has a BJ's off-road tow hitch, and that thing is beefy. So, and I added some extra backup lights on it, some night lights, pretty easy to do. And in the bed we've got the spare tire carrier. That's a rough country spare tire carrier. I also have a 2.5 gallon or 5 gallon jerry can holder in place for whatever I want. As everybody knows, the older Jeeps, the gas gauges are not the most reliable on the market. See how pretty the back end looks. And we come over here. Nice straight body lines. Okay, and the oh god, the roll bar, having a senior moment. So it's got KC headlights on it. This is the back end view of the rough country spare tire carrier. It's got a 35-inch off-road mud terrain on that one as well. Excuse me. Let's look on the inside now. So for those of you who've followed along, it's been a journey. So the dash has been redone, as you can tell. The latest thing we added was the retro radio, and that was a nice kit, you know, so that was really nice. Over here in this empty spot, if I get AC put in it, that's where the AC controls are going to go. I've got some phone holders or radio holders, whatever I want for off-road, and that was pretty easy to install. The center console was for a CJ7 aftermarket, I want to say rough country, and I just cut it down so that it fit and it looks factory, you know. It looks pretty good. Now the seats have not been recovered yet, so I just have seat covers on them, so sorry about that. Let's go over to the other side and show you a couple things over there. Did a video on the door cup panels, so you know, we put those on ourselves. So let's go back over to the driver's side and give you a little view of what that looks like inside the cab. Okay, so once again we start over here with the retro radio, and the light switch for the off-road lights are all right here within easy reach, all functional, looking good. Steering wheel, dashboard. A modification that I'd made recently was I added the overhead rack here for a CB, and I'll probably put a fire extinguisher or something up there. And you can see I still need to get a headliner. That's one thing I haven't gotten to yet, and it may turn out to be within the next week or two. I haven't decided if I'm buying or if I am making. I put aftermarket speakers in because just it made more sense. So everything's wired up, everything's functional, it works really nice. Very happy with the way the interior's turned out so far. Once again, the last thing I really need to do is get a headliner in here and then to make a determination if I'm going to do the AC. Okay, so that's the inside. Sorry, it's not as clean as I'd like it to be in the video, but it does sit outside sometimes. But I am digging the way that front end looks. Okay, and I'm pretty sure I did a video on the recovery points on how I did those. So, you know, just fab stuff up as you go, figure it out, and make it meet your purposes. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Click like, subscribe, it does help me. Thanks, bye.